My name is Jonathan Morrison, and I own Mattress by Appointment, North Iowa.
Small businesses are a core group of customers for us at Splash Printing Company. We get to work with these owners to help bring up their level of awareness and visibility through clothing, promotional items, and signage. Jonathan at Mattress by Appointment is a great example of an outgoing, high-energy business owner we love to work with. We sat down with Johnny the Mattress Guy to learn more about his business and amazing customer service.
How did I get started? That's actually kind of a funny story. I had seen one of these stores in my travels probably a year ago and kind of tucked it away in the memory banks. And in January of 2022, I went to Sioux City to visit a friend who owns a bunch of commercial property, and he had one of these stores in his property. And I asked him, I said, "What's up with that business?" And he goes, "I don't know." I said, "What do you know?" He goes, "They pay their rent on time." I said, "That's good." And so when I drove home from Sioux City, I called that store owner, I called the Cedar Falls store owner, I called the Davenport store owner, and basically mini interviewed all of them. The Cedar Falls store owner, Katie Hine, was adamant that I needed to open a store in Mason City, and 24 hours later, I became a Mattress by Appointment dealer. That's how I got here. My business is completely different than any other experience that you're going to get in North Iowa because I'm not a big box store. Literally, this is it. This is what you get. You get me and you get this tiny shop. You're getting a one-on-one experience. I almost call myself a boutique shop. So I don't have salespeople. I don't have pushy salespeople. I don't have a ton of overhead. Literally, when I leave here, the AC and the heat basically turn down to the minimums, right? All about keeping my overhead low. I don't have an expensive delivery truck. My delivery truck is out there. It's a piece of junk. So I do my best to keep my overhead low so I can have the best prices for my customers. So when people come here, literally, they get the entire shop to themselves. They can try out all the mattresses. They can roll up and down the line. I tell them, find something that you absolutely love. And when they come here, they can take it home with them right away, or I'll deliver it right away. So a lot of people come to me and they're like, "I need a brand new mattress tonight." Well, I can deliver that, where that's how I'm different from a lot of the places. Additionally, you're not going to have somebody else's kids running around like distracting you. If you fall asleep on one of my mattresses, I'm going to sit in that chair and clean out my email inbox and leave you alone. That's the best kind of customer. It's funny, when you start this business, you realize you're not in the mattress selling business. You're in the marketing business. That's all I do, is market all day long. Whether it's Facebook, whether it's Instagram, Google, I've got to market myself, because if people don't know about this tiny little shop tucked in this corner, they're never going to come in. And because I do things by appointment, I don't really take walk-ins unless I happen to be at my desk and you come and knock on the door. So I have to market constantly, and I have to brand myself. Literally, when I started this, my alter ego is, I'm Johnny the Mattress Guy. I went from Jonathan Morrison to Johnny the Mattress Guy overnight, and I've got to brand myself. And so working with Eric and his crew at Splash, I've got to wear my clothing when I'm around town. Just grabbed lunch earlier over at Hy-Vee, went and got some sushi, and the girl behind the counter is like, "That's right, I need to make an appointment with you." She didn't recognize this, she recognized this. And so if you look, my undershirt is even Mattress by Appointment. This is what I wear constantly. I'm pretty sure my wife would love to see me in a normal dress shirt, but this is me every day now. When we talk about like branding and Johnny the Mattress Guy and what this business is in North Iowa, my goals are next is I want to be that person that everybody tells their friends about. Oh, I hate my mattress, blah, blah, blah. You're sitting at the dinner table. "Oh, I hate my mattress." "Oh, well, go see Johnny." "Well, who's Johnny?" "Oh, Johnny the Mattress Guy." I track my sales religiously. In the month of August, 35% of my sales were either referrals or repeat customers. I need to keep building on that. 35% is great, but I need people that, like, all of a sudden they've bought a king mattress from me for the master bedroom and their kids need a twin. They're coming back here, or they're telling their aunts and their uncles and their kids to shop at my store. That's what I need. That's what I'm working on. Having grown up in North Iowa and calling this home, when I sell a product like a mattress that is so personal to people, they spend a third of their life in it, I need to make sure that I'm not only giving them an amazing experience at my shop, but I've also got to sell them an excellent product and give them amazing service, because I'm from here. People know me. People know my family. They know my parents. They also know my in-laws. So I've got to go above and beyond for my customers when it comes to product and service. And that's why I'm proud to do what I do here in North Iowa.